Okay, I'm going to try this again. This is the third time I've tried to record this, and Microsoft Windows updates keep screwing with my settings and changing my defaults. Okay, when you go to saddlebags, the first thing you have to do is log in. Now, there's a couple people saying there's different ways that they're being told to log in. I log in right here. I just click reminder and log straight in. You can create a new account if you do not have an account. Once you log in, you will land on wrong one. It took me to my dashboard. It ain't supposed to take you to the dashboard. It's supposed to come right here to the home page. Once you're on your home page, you got all kinds of stuff that you can post right here. Now I have dark view on because I've got real sensitive eyes. Most of you will see something like this and you can start typing. That hurts my eyes extremely bad. So I'm going back to my dark view. I can't see with that bright. Over here you can do your filters. You can filter by groups, photos, videos, audios, see whatever you want to see, updates, new groups, group memberships, all kinds of stuff over here. You can also see who's commented and replied to you. We got all that set up. If you come over here, once you get here, you can see where you got all members, my friends, groups, favorites, and mentions. We're going to click on groups first. I'll show you everything posted from the groups. Now you come up here to profile once you're logged in. Over here you got your home page, you've got your view profile, you've got your social networks, you got your profile avatar, and you got your cover avatar. Now the profile is separate from your cover and your avatar. They're two different things. Now right here you can see the number of people that's currently in world or logged in. Right here is your groups and friends. You can go to posts, activity, media, info. Your info is just your info for and it'll also show you down here. You can see if you've got any videos uploaded. I'll be uploading this video soon. And you can see your groups down here. You can also see recent posts. And down here at the bottom, it's kind of hard to see. But we've also got friends and groups. And you can chat with individuals that you know. All you do is just click it and minimize it. You can also click right here and go back up to the top of the screen. Your info, you come over here to your info. That's going to give you your name and all that good stuff. And you can click to go edit it. But once you come down here, first go to your avatar, click on your avatar, profile avatar. This is where you upload your avatars. And you can upload, you can take a picture. It won't let me do it because I've got my camera on right now. You can also recycle an old pic if you have one. But you just click to upload, select your file right there. Or you can drag and drop. If you like to drag and drop, it should work. Once you get your avatar pic, I've already got mine. Once you get your avatar pic, click on profile cover. And this is where you put in your cover sheet. And it's pretty big size, so just know that. It's kind of like Facebook. And once you get that done, you can go view your profile. And you can see how I've got mine laid out. I haven't uploaded cover image yet. Those buttons right there, the one right here in the middle, and the change cover will not work right now, simply because the PHP is too low. So just come in here and you can change your image, your about me. You come down here to widgets and about me, and you can change your profile pic. You can also come down here and add skills. You can add your about me section. We got skills that we can add. Well, I haven't done none of that stuff yet. We got portfolios, slideshows. If you have Instagram, you can link your Instagram and Flickr. I'm trying to get it so we can add Google, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and all of those. You have to have a package. It's a one-time fee. I'm working on that. But once you get that done, you come over here to the main Saddlebags Live chat group. And this is where everybody will be chatting mostly. And you can see your friends, you can see your groups, and your favorites and who's mentioned you. You can come in here, you can do your video, upload video, audios. You can also put in links. And if you go to click on members groups, you can come in here and you can see my groups, all groups, and if you click on all groups, it shows, because I'm a member of this. If you're not a member of this, over here on the saddlebags example, the saddlebags only sees 2 groups. There's only 2 public groups. And you can create a group. Right now, go easy on creating the groups for the dance teams. Go ahead, and if you got a dance team, let me know, and I'll help walk you through that. The families, we've got room for families. At some point, I'm going to have to upgrade the server to a bigger server to accommodate everybody, but that's not a big issue. I just need donations and help paying for some of this stuff. Messaging service does work, and I can add voice call and video call to it. And you can start new conversations. And you can go to members and you can see all the members, unless they are hidden. That's it. We've also got our jukebox, of course, and we've got the Saddlebags Community Discord. I think that covers. You can come down here to messages. This is your messages dashboard. And you can come to your groups dashboard. This shows you all your groups that you're in. And you can come down here and you can alternate between groups. You can also choose right here this just shows you groups. You've got the option to leave the groups, or you can click on the name and go to the group. You can also click on invitations and memberships. Memberships will just show you the groups that you're a member of, and invitations will show you groups that you have been invited to join. That's for the dance teams. Once your dancers join, they can come in here and do all of that. I like this screen better because it's not so bright. Like I said, all you gotta do is come to your home screen over here, your home button, and you can see where everybody's posting from the different groups. just know that your group is right there. You can also come in here and you got option to delete. You can leave comments. I'm working on getting sharing. I got to raise the PHP and all that good stuff for that. But this has been a little bit longer than I had originally planned. It's a 10-minute video. So there you go. That's the basics. And I hope to see y'all at Saddlebags soon. Enjoy. Thank you. I hope this helps.